Today, we're gonna make a fall door hanger using dollar store supplies and Cricut vinyl. Wanna learn how to make your own? Stick around, the full tutorial is coming right up. Hey, welcome to Creative Ramblings, where you'll find simple, inspiring projects. Today, we're making a fall door hanger using a gold charger, some flowers, and ribbon from Dollar Tree, plus some vinyl scraps that I'm cutting with my Cricut. The link to this graphic that I'm cutting can be found in the description below. I'm cleaning the charger with some rubbing alcohol and transferring the weeded vinyl over using transfer tape. If you want to learn how to make just about anything with your Cricut, check out this playlist. Once the vinyl is on, it's time to add the decorations. I'm using this buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree and creating a simple bow. It's wired ribbon, so I can form it into the exact size and shape that I want. I grabbed flowers that I've purchased from Dollar Tree and pulled out some stems in red and white. I'm trimming them down and using hot glue to add them to the top of the charger. Now we'll use a little hot glue to stick on the bow. A loop of ribbon on the back to hang this up, and it's finished. This is a seriously easy fall door hanger using a dollar store charger. Want to make one for Christmas? Check out this video. So what do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you like this project. If you want to see more simple, inspiring projects, be sure to subscribe to Creative Ramblings. I'm here with a new video every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.